Hi, I'm Chef Dale. Welcome to the ATCO Blue Flame Kitchen. What's really important is your safety in the kitchen. So what's the first thing you pick up and what's the last thing you put away? It's going to be your knife. So you want that knife super sharp all the time. A sharp knife is a safe knife. What I usually do before I use it, I just use a bit of the steel just to remove the burr off the edge. So I know I got a nice precise cutting edge. So we're gonna chop some tomatoes. Tomatoes are probably the hardest things to cut because they've got such a rigid skin. I separate my two bowls. This is gonna be my exit bowl here. And this is gonna be my waste bowl. So what I do first here is remove the truss from the tomato. Everything I'm going to cut is on my left, and what's gonna be exit, it's gonna be onto my right, so I get a really nice workflow. Using the bridge technique, which is this, that's the best way to cut a tomato in half. When your grip is index finger and thumb, put the tip of the blade on top of the tomato and just push that blade forward until the tip of the blade hits the cutting board. Then put a bit of pressure on the tip and then let's draw back and you get the perfect cut. Don't push any downward pressure. Same again. Push forward, draw back, have the fingers curled behind, the tip forward, back, back, and then this is my exit bowl. So my board is now clear for the next one. Bridge, push forward, draw back, that sits there. Push forward, draw back. Even chefs do the bridge. Just like that. Collect, that goes there. Now if you notice I'm using my cutting board here and the board's not moving, which is really important. So before anything else, what I like to do is get something non-stick, like a non-slip mat, or you can use a wet tea towel. Just pop that on the top, just like that, and you can see that my board's nice and secure. That's not going anywhere. Most of the cuttings will occur is when your board is actually moving, so that's a great tip to keep everyone safe in the kitchen. Again, it's my last tomato, push forward, draw back, and using the entire length of the blade. And these are the actual knives you'd use here at ATCO, these ones. So I hope that helps you. Have a great time in the kitchen. Keep safe. Thanks for watching.